All right, let's turn to Joshua. Joshua is studying acting, and he's benefiting from immersive, hands-on experiences that have allowed him to hone his craft on the stage, behind the scenes, and even on air. Joshua, it's your turn to break a leg.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. From a very young age, I fell in love with the idea of performing. My mom always pushed me to pursue what I love to do the most. So when it was time to choose a major for my career, I knew that I wanted to be an actor, either on the stage or the big screen. Making friends at ISU was effortless. The university makes it easy to do what you love to do and to make new friends daily. Festival ISU is a school-wide event that allows the over 400 registered student organizations to set up a booth and advertise their group on the quad. This is how I was able to land my first job as a tour guide and receive a WZ&D radio internship for nearly 2 years. Having the opportunity to experience life on the radio is what guided me to mass media as a minor. Now I know that alongside acting, I would love to do voice work and work on the radio. The theater and dance program here at Illinois State is amazing. The Bachelor of Fine Arts Acting program allows students to take classes that educate them not only on the craft of being a performer, but also working behind the stage. When I first started, all I knew about theater was the dream that I had. But now I have expertise in makeup, stage design, stage combat, costuming, and much more. In addition, when I'm all done with my classes, ISU will set up a talent showcase in front of agents nationwide in order to help me find opportunities post-graduation. ISU has given me the resources that I needed to excel as a person, student, and as an actor. Now I have the confidence in the career path that I've chosen for myself, and I cannot wait to get started. Well, that's a wrap for me. Back to you, Alex.
Joshua, you have some real star power. Illinois State Won-Soo Kim College of Fine Arts puts on more than 400 performances and exhibits each year in art, music, theater, dance, and creative technologies. No matter the medium, students like Joshua find an outlet to express themselves. Bravo, Joshua.